Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing another fall decorate with me. Today we are decorating our primary bedroom. We are adding some simple, neutral fall additions to this area, so nothing too crazy. If you have not been to my channel before, welcome. I'm so happy to have you guys here. I would love if you could subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos, and also follow me over on Instagram if you are not already. We are starting out by styling our dresser in our bedroom. I decided to include this because I wasn't sure if I've ever shown how I style this area. A lot of these items that I share with you in today's video, like this tall amber glass vase, I got in previous years, so I will try to link as much as I can in the description box down below. But a lot of the items, unfortunately, like I said, are from previous years. So if you do see something you like and you don't see it linked, you can always comment. I do sometimes forget to link things, so make sure to leave a comment if you do want an exact link to something, and I will let you know if I can get that for you or not. For this area, all I am adding is that amber glass vase and this small little pumpkin, and that is all of my fall touches for my dresser. I think it does add some warmth to this space, and I love this vase that I get so many questions on. This is from Kirkland's, and unfortunately it is unavailable. It was the find of the year in my opinion. Same with these stems that are from Target and also no longer available. I just adore these two together. If I can find something similar, I will have it linked for you guys. Over to our reading corner, I am going to remove our throw blanket and throw pillow, and then I'm going to lint roll our accent chair. If you guys do not know, we have 3 dogs and a cat, and our small dogs and our kitty lay on this chair, so I always try to get as much hair as I can off of furniture before I start redecorating for the season. When decorating for the different seasons, I like to change out a lot of my floral and my pots and vases, so that is what I am doing here. I tried to put this combination together and ended up not liking it, so you will see I grabbed some bubble wrap to give it a little bit of height from the bottom of the pot, and I grabbed some different fall picks, and I really love the way that this turned out. Now moving over to our nightstands, I'm going to take our current decor off and then give our nightstands a good wipe down. With having so many animals in our house, we have to wipe things down quite often because hair likes to fall on absolutely everything. I am keeping our nightstands quite simple. I'm going to add some vases and some fall picks, and that is going to be it. I do add a little pumpkin on each of our nightstands as well, which are from years previous, but again, I will try to link something fairly similar. Our lampshades collect a lot of lint and hair, all that good stuff, so I take our lint roller and go over those as well to make sure that those are nice and clean. I washed our sheets on this day, so I'm just going to make our bed. I've gotten so many questions on where our bed frame is from. Unfortunately, we did get it from a local furniture store, and I have not found the exact link to it online, but I will link a few similar for you in the description box. Our bedding and our throw blanket is from Target, which will be linked down below. I do also want to mention the bench that is at the foot of our bed. My husband did make that, and we have a video where we show you how we did that, so I will have that in the description box as well. I love this chunky knit throw from Casa Luna from Target. It's one of my favorite things. We have this on our bed year round, but it really gives the warm, cozy vibes for fall time. For all of our throw pillows, I got the white ones from HomeGoods, and I actually scored the brown ones from a local garage sale for $5 a piece, which was a total score, so I am not sure where those came from. I am also adding my pumpkin pillow to our bed, which you will see here shortly. And that is going to conclude this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel down below if you are not already, and follow me over on Instagram. The link is always in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support on my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.